Ooh, the bucket. Alright, so today we're going to go put gas in it and wash the bucket. I know this is going to be kind of a boring-ish video, but if you've been following the build, it's going to be fucking cool. Because this is the second time that this thing is driven, and it's going to be fucking mad, dude. Just driving this thing out on the road is going to be cool.
Strapped in.
Strapped in.
Ready. Is it still open headers? We hooked it all up?
No, it's got an exhaust on now. Full factory. So it's throwing the check engine light because I ran it without the downstream O2 sensor, so I just haven't cleared it yet. I'm lazy. I'm gonna wait for it to sort itself out before I start fucking with it again.
This one's still louder than... Sounds pretty loud.
Yeah, because the motor's not broken in yet.
Almost sounds like a diesel.
I don't think the lifters are fully bled. The valves hasn't fully seated. The piston rings aren't fully broken in yet. And it needs an alignment. Oh, it's idling now. Before it wouldn't, when it would drop down, it wouldn't catch idle. Nice. Alignment's a little whack, but she's running nice. I can feel the poly trans mounts. There's a good bit of drivetrain vibration in the cab. More than I noticed with factory mounts.
Yeah, she's running good.
Yeah, smooth. Aside from the mounts. I think I might try and switch back to the mounts. I don't like it. It makes me feel like something's wrong with it, you know, but it's just how it is.
I like being able to feel everything.
Yeah. Fuck yeah, dude. She looks clean now that she's washed.
Need some new clips.
Yeah. Slow and steady, but she fucking drives, bro. Fuck yeah. She's like a newborn baby. Still trying to figure her legs out. But we didn't overheat. We're up to temp and it's stayed solid. We still had a little bit of smoke coming out the exhaust. I think that's residual water from the muffler, and that we just washed it, added more water in, so I think it's just sort of slowly burning it all off. But I'm gonna watch the coolant level these next few drives and see if something's up with it. This clutch is fucking whack, bro. Very on or off, you see what I mean? So it's like hard to get a smooth go with it. And it sucks because I'm trying to be nice with the car. And the clutch just doesn't want to work.
Got a little wheel rub.
Front shocks are kind of worn. All the shocks are worn. Doesn't smell sweet, so it's not coolant. We are slowly getting there, boys. Oh, baby. Just to finally have this thing running and being able to take it down to the car wash and take it to get gas is pretty fucking cool. I'm hyped. This is a step in actually genuinely regularly driving this thing. So it still has some quirks to it, but it's getting a lot better. For one, it wasn't falling on its face off throttle. So before, when I was going to like 2,000 RPM, I would push the clutch in and the engine would just shut off. It wouldn't catch idle. It's catching idle now. It's getting better about it. The whole thing is just slowly refining itself. It just needs to be driven more and more and more regularly. So there's still a long way to go before this is just a normal car and I can just do whatever the fuck I want with it, but we're getting there, boys. Alright, I will see you guys the next time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Keep it fresh, and I'll see you guys later.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are